Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by turning on Bluetooth and unlocking your device so settings stay accessible. This prevents interruptions while renaming. On Android, make sure the device you'll rename is visible and connected. On iPhone, confirm you want to change the phone's device name in Settings right arrow General right arrow About. Once done, open Bluetooth Settings now and locate the target device entry. This gets you straight into the editable field without extra steps or pairing resets. Now you perform the actual rename. On most Android phones, tap Settings right arrow Connected Devices or Bluetooth, find the paired device, open its gear or info icon, choose Edit or Rename, enter the new label and save. On iPhone, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow About, tap Name, type the new name and tap Done. This updates Bluetooth and AirDrop labels. Make the name concise so other devices won't truncate it, and avoid emojis or exotic punctuation for better compatibility. Finish by confirming the new name shows up in Bluetooth lists and on any connected accessories. This proves the change propagated. If the name doesn't update, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or restart the device to clear cache. Make sure the other device also refreshes its scan. You may need to unpair and pair again. If persistent issues occur, consider resetting network settings as a last resort. Remember to back up Wi-Fi passwords and credentials before doing that.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.